Good morning. It's Saturday morning with AVGO. Everybody knows it's on the website. We had bought that dip down here. We bought the 130 and the 135 calls. We have got 3, 4, 5 day count right up here to the resistance. Now, remember, they had a problem with the earnings and they got crushed. And they got crushed severely down to this 200 day where we bought it. And it's on the website. Got to buy this bad baby. Well, now we're getting ready to go short, trader. I hope you join the trading room with me so that you can get paid. Coaching, mentoring, working together, all the right things, all the right ingredients for success. This is the top that's coming. We took a position and we bought the November 15th right here. We bought the 175 put, the 170, and we bought the 175 put here. And once again, we can see that we were overbought at one period, and we still are overbought. But we can still go up and hit the trend line, or we could hit the top of that wick, and then down we go, and our short will pay like it did before, just like the long position. We get paid both ways. That's why we want you here.